3, Training a Machine Learning Model. In this lesson, we're going to build an image classifier that's capable of recognizing different types of fruit. To do that, there's going to be two steps. First, we're going to have to upload some data to train with. For us, it's going to be images of fruit, apples, oranges, bananas. Second, once those images are uploaded to the cloud, we're going to have Azure train the model. Okay, let's dive in. Let's find some data for training purposes. We're going to need images of fruit. We found images on Kaggle. You can refer to the attached documentation for links. It's pretty easy to find. Kaggle fruit 360. And here it is. I'm going to just click on it. Great. Takes me to the Kaggle website. And I'm going to go ahead and access the data. Tells me a little bit about the content of the data. 90,000 images of fruit. Amazing. The way it was made. Excellent. And of course the license. So let's just go ahead and click the download button. You'll have to register with Kaggle to download it. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in. You'll need to log in with your Kaggle account or create one. And once you've done that, the data will start downloading. It could take up to 15-20 minutes depending on the speed of your internet connection. Please refer to our documentation for further support here. Now that we've downloaded our data to our local machine, we're going to want to upload it to the Azure cloud for model training. Let's start at the portal and we'll get back to our custom vision portal. Here we are, portal.azure.com, and we've got our recent resources down here, Richardson 1 that we created in the earlier video. So I'm just going to click on that. Click on Quick Start. And number 2, option 2 here, the custom vision portal. Let's just open that up again. You might already have your custom vision portal open. That's fine. You can just go straight there. If not, just follow along. Okay, now it's opened. Let's go to Fruit Classifier 2. Here we are. We're back at our workspace and it's telling us we don't have any images. Let's go ahead and start adding them. Perfect. So I'm going to click on Add Images. I'm going to go to find my Fruits 360 data source that I downloaded. Here it is. I've got test and training. So let's go into the training folder and start uploading some pictures of different fruits. So let's start with the golden apple. So apple golden 1. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go ahead and Control A to select all the images in the folder. I'm going to click on Open. Image upload, 480 images. So these are images of the golden apple, and each one is rotated just ever so slightly. The idea being by providing all these different angles, the image classifier is going to be better able to understand or recognize and classify the apple. So let's call this apple golden. There we go. It's now uploading. Okay, now I can see I've got many pages of golden apples from all different angles. Here's one at the top. I can see now I've got under tags, apple golden. So the tags are going to be important because when we train our model, it's going to be supervised machine learning, so it needs labeled data for training. Let's go ahead and add some more. This time I'm going to add red apples. And I'm going to select all. Red apple. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and do this with bananas, cherries, and a few other fruits. You can go ahead on your side and do the same, and we'll come back in a bit once we've uploaded all of our images. I've completed uploading my image data set. I've got tomatoes, red apples, cherries, lemons, cantaloupe, etc. The more images I upload, the better my model is going to perform. Now that you've uploaded your images, it's time to get into the model training. So let's go ahead and click on Train. For us, there's two options here, quick training and advanced training. Let's go ahead with the advanced training option just so we can explore the capabilities. For us, training budget about 1 hour. If we provide it more time, it's going to train better. Let's just go ahead with 1 hour and click on Train. There's an option here as well to send an email notification because training can take some time. I'm going to click on Train now. Okay, here we go. We can see that we're on training iteration number 1, and the current status here is training. So I'm going to go ahead and let it train. We'll come back once it's done. Congratulations, you've completed lesson number 3 for training the machine learning model. Once it's completed, we're going to go into lesson number 4 and evaluate the performance of our model.